This is the assembly instructions for the AmongUs changeable. We have the helmet, the leg, one piece of the jaw, the other piece of the jaw, the visor, the bone, the backpack, and the backpack hinge pin. Tools you may need: a wire snipper and a paper clip. So let's start. First is to probably put the backpack in this way, and to keep the backpack together we use this pin and push that through. You may need to trim it and wiggle it in, and this is where we use the paper clip to push it all the way in so it goes in the middle and it doesn't stick out. It sticks out from the side, and that's not a problem. Just push it back just a little bit more in so it stays evenly on both sides. It doesn't come out. Okay, we set that aside. Now we can put the jaw. The hinges of the jaw go together like this. I'll work my way in so it doesn't snap. It should be loose because we're going to use gravity to make it fall into place when it's this way. Now you can put the visor in. Just get that out of the way. It's triangle and triangle. There we go. You can super glue it if you want to make this permanent. Now we're putting the claw or the jaws together and put that in, and it should be very loose, and that is supposed to be the way it is. So, and the jaw goes into the hole of the backpack. There's only one hole there. Okay. Oh, let's go back a step. We should put the bone in inside the jaw. Might want to do that before we put the jaw together, actually, so this way we don't risk breaking the hinge. So it bone's in there now. Put the jaw inside the backpack. Now we flip so the bone is upside down, and get the legs. The legs should go in there, and now we just simply need to turn the leg and it rotates inside the backpack. Okay, and now we're gonna repeat that for the top helmet, and that goes there inside the other backpack, and a twisting or rotating motion, and that's it. So we open, turn the backpack, we see jaws. Rotate the backpack, we see the bone, jaw, and that completes the assembly instruction. Thank you.